So what are the crypto whales doing? What is the big money? What are the big money people doing right now in crypto? And I found this article. I wanted to share some insight with you and kind of talk through it a little bit. And I'm kind of trying a different style, so let me know if you like this. I want to talk more at you, just one-on-one. I'm scanning articles, I'm taking notes, I'm doing my homework, and then coming on here ready to shoot a video for you. So if you like this style, let me know. Smash the like button down there. But I'll tell you one thing they're doing. They're buying Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash. Now, the reason why Bitcoin Cash has gone up here in recent weeks, it is one of the 4 cryptos that was listed in the new EDX exchange. Of course, that exchange being launched by the big players like Citadel and Fidelity. Yes, Bitcoin Cash has been moving, and a lot of the crypto whales are coming into it with large inflows here within the last 7 days. And Bitcoin Cash has recently reclaimed the $300 milestone for its first time since May 2022. That doesn't mean you FOMO in, by the way. I'm just giving you the news and information. I do think some of the cryptos listed there, again, there are only 4, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are certainly ones to watch. Litecoin, by the way, is another one that has been very, very well dominant as of late. And Litecoin is one of those ones mentioned in the EDX report, and Litecoin has been moving up as well, and it's reclaimed that $100 mark and then some. And Whales' new investments worth $46 million here in the last week, so we're seeing a lot of money come in there as well. How about Compound Finance, COMP? Price soared 90% in the last week of June as Comp's price tested 60 for the first time since February earlier this year. On-chain data revealed that the increased whale trading activity is one of the pivotal factors behind the ongoing Compound rally. So those 3 in particular, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Compound, all 3 have been very, very whale dominant here in July of 2023. They are certainly ones to keep on your radar. And again, it's interesting that 2 out of these 3 are listed on the new exchange, will be listed on the new exchange, EDX. Again, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, 2 of the ones the whales are going into right now. And of course, you can always track whale activity using Whale Tracker. That's a great website. Definitely check that out if you haven't already. Just a great tool to kind of keep you up to speed and whatnot in terms of what people are going in and out of. We always want to follow that smart money in crypto, see what the big money people are doing. It helps us, right? We can gain some insight and gain some intel on where the money's flowing and where it's flowing in and where it's flowing out of as well. So that's what I got for you guys. Again, let me know that you saw this video by smashing the like button, subscribing down below, and share this with a friend if you got some value. We'll see you. Bye.